Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to make kimbap, and before we start the video, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Felicia Tarbukti, absent number 11.
My name is Timothy Haristianti, absent number 25.
My name is Kandang Chumusati, absent number 16.
And my name is Agra Pranadi Chayadi, absent number 2.
Okay, let's go. So the very first material that we will need is a pan and a stove. So we use a portable stove here, and the next is a knife, a peeler, a bamboo mat, and a plastic wrap, and then a bowl and a fork, and cutting board, and the last one is spatula. Okay, so next we have the ingredients. So we'll need eggs, and then smoked beef and crab stick, and then we have cucumbers, we have carrots, and then we have sesame oil, and then we have kimchi, and of course rice, salt, oil, and we have a seaweed for the kimbap. Okay.
First step, we need to crack the egg into this bowl. Then we put some salt into the bowl. And then we beat the egg with the salt. Then we spray this oil into the pan. Pour the egg that we beat before. Then we slice the egg that we cooked before.
Next, we will peel the carrot and we slice the cucumber.
So next step, we are going to put a little bit of salt and a little bit of sesame oil. Then mix it with our hand. We have a crab stick, and we'll need to pan-sear the crab stick. So let's go. Okay. And next, we will pan-sear the smoked beef. Next, we will slice the crab stick that we pan-seared before. Let's go. And next, we will slice the smoked beef. Let's go, go.
And now we are going to put the rice and flatten it, then add some crab sticks, smoked beef, cucumber, egg, and the carrot, and also last but not least, kimchi. And now we are going to roll it with our bamboo mat that is covered with plastic wrap. Lastly, we are going to cut it and plate it. And here you go. Our kimbap is ready to be served.
Okay, so that's all from us. We hope you guys enjoyed the video and the food. And yeah, wassalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.